Welcome to this channel. So we have 2 raised to x multiplied by 8 raised to x is equals to 120. Straight away, let us dive onto the solution. So I'm going to write 2 power x multiplied by this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. And then outside I have x is giving me 120. Recall that if you have a raised to m and then outside you have n, this is just same as taking a raised to m multiplied by n, so that when I apply it here, I'm going to have 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3x is giving me 120. And recall again that at any point you're having a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n, then this is same as taking a to the power m plus n, as you can see. So applying that, I'm gonna have 2 to the x plus 3x is giving me 120, which of course this becomes 2 to the power 4x is equals to 120. At this point, since the power is unknown, I'm going to introduce the logs on both sides of the equation, so that I end up having the log of 2 to the power 4x is equals to the log of 120. Of course, this can be written as 4x to the log 2 is equals to the log 120. And then of course I'm going to divide all through by the log 2, so that I'm going to have this and this cancels. 4x is equals to log 120 divided by the log 2, and here it comes. How can we write the factors of 120? So let's find the factors of 120. I know that this can be written as 60 times 2, which implies it can also be written as 30 times 2 times 2, which can also be simplified as 3 times 10 times 2 times 2. So I'm going to use this so that I have 4 to the x is equals to the log 3 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Down I have the log 2. And recall that at any point you're having the log a multiplied by b. This is same as taking the log of a plus the log of b. And then applying that here, have 4x is equals to, I'm going to have the log 3 plus the log 10 plus the log 2 power 2. Down I have the log 2, like that. Separating this under different denominators, I'm going to end up having 4x is equals to log 3 divided by log 2, and of course plus log 10 divided by log 2 plus 2 to the log 2 divided by log 2. I'm going to divide this by 4 so that everything on this other side divides by 4. So x becomes log 3 divided by 4 log 2 plus log 10 divided by 4 log 2 plus 2 to the log 2 divided by 4 log 2. So here we are simplifying now. I'm gonna have x is equals to I'm gonna write this as, you can recall, at any point you have the log a over log b. I'm gonna write this as log a base b. So that I have here x is equals to 1 over 4 log 3 base 2 for this, of course, plus, what is log 10? You also need to recall that log 10 base 10 is equals to 1. So this changes to 1. So I'm gonna have 1 all over log 4 log 2, of course, plus 2 goes here 1, 2 goes here 2. I shall end up having a half. This and this cancels, and I'm having a half. So I'm going to have a half. That means my final answer now, x becomes, I'll start by writing half, of course, plus 1 over 4 log 3 base 2, 1 over 4 log 3 base 2, of course, plus 1 over 4 to the log 3 1 over that, 1 over 4 log 2, 1 over 4. So which can be written as final answer. X now becomes 1 over 4, of course, plus 1 over 4 log 3 base 2 plus 1 over 4 log 2 as our final value of x, which is indeed gotten without using a calculator. So for that case, we find the value of this 2x multiplied by 8 raised to x equals to 120. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next one.